I don't intend to show any disrespect to Parliament, but can it encroach upon or intrude upon something that would affect independence of the judiciary, something that relates to practice and procedure, which the court may or may not do, but can do for itself? Can Parliament do that? In other words, when Article 191, this is part of that question, starts with subject to the Constitution, the law part of it is also being subject to the Constitution, and the Constitution says independence of judiciary is a fundamental right. Can Parliament directly or indirectly take away a fundamental right?
आप नोट कर लें. If I will really request my colleagues that they are making, including myself, are making your life impossible. Please, no, you are very fine. No, you are not here to teach you anything. You are here to help us. Now, please, I'm not even reading the act, and we are getting bogged down into details. Let us go through it, formulate your contentions. We will bombard you with 100 questions. You respond to them later. You respond to everything, then the matter gets lost. Again, we are stuck with sections. We are not even making progress. Please continue in your way. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let me say this. Section 5 से आगे बढ़ लीजिए.
Another question with regard to appeal. अब देखिए, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक डिक्टेशन का ऑर्डिनेंस था, लॉ रिफॉर्म ऑर्डिनेंस 1972. उसके तहत आर्टिकल 199 के लिए अपील प्रोवाइड की गई बिफोर 2 मेंबर सेक्शन. वी आर फॉलोइंग इट. क्या वो जो डिक्टेटर का था वो दुरुस्त है और पार्लियामेंट अपील का राइट नहीं दे सकती? बहुत अपील का राइट दिया, सेम प्रोविजन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, आर्टिकल 199 एंड आर्टिकल 183. तो ये क्या दोनों
It is what we also this thing what Parliament will do and what Parliament can do many things. My Lord has said so. But if there is a procedure, Parliament will answer that. I will not answer. Section 5 से आप आगे बढ़िए. We have collected 100 questions.
The law reforms ordinance of 1972. This is the question to you. Regulated right of appeal within the High Court itself, an intra-court appeal. Was there ever a clause on the jurisdiction and on the legislative competence in relation to jurisdiction clause of the High Court in the same manner as it is in the Supreme Court? As I